Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting gadget to talk about, the TODAIR AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or want to extend your network coverage outdoors, this might be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, setup process, and performance. So, stay tuned. Let's start with an overview of the TODAIR AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender. This device promises to provide a reliable and high-speed Wi-Fi signal in outdoor areas, making it perfect for large backyards, gardens, or even commercial spaces. One of the standout features of this extender is its IP65 Weatherproof rating, which means it can withstand various weather conditions, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. This makes it suitable for both hot and cold climates. The device also boasts a sleek design and comes with two powerful antennas that enhance the Wi-Fi signal's reach and stability. It even has lightning protection, adding an extra layer of safety. Let's explore some of the key features that make this Wi-Fi extender unique. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, offering better diffraction and faster network speeds. This means you can enjoy high-speed internet and seamless HD video streaming. The TODAAIR Wi-Fi extender supports various security protocols, including WPA-PSK and WPA2-PSK, ensuring your network remains secure and your data protected. With a range coverage of up to 3,440 square feet, it can connect up to 30 devices simultaneously, making it suitable for multiple users and various IoT devices. This extender supports repeater and AP modes, allowing you to easily extend your wired internet connection or connect Ethernet-enabled devices wirelessly. Setting up the TODAIR Wi-Fi extender is straightforward, and our technical team will be there to support you if you encounter any issues during installation. It's compatible with most mainstream routers on the market, making it a versatile choice for any network setup. Now, let's put the TODAIR AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender to the test. We'll measure its signal strength and speed in different scenarios to see how it performs. In our first test, we'll check if it can eliminate dead zones indoors. We'll place the extender in a problematic spot and see how it improves signal strength. Next, we'll take it outside and check the coverage in an outdoor area, testing its range and stability. After extensive testing, it's clear that the TODAIR AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender offers reliable and high-performance Wi-Fi extension. Its weatherproof design, dual band support, and multiple working modes make it a great choice for improving your home network. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the link in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech updates. That's it for today's review of the TODAIR AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay connected.